Hi there everyone and welcome to the Weather Centre. A cold front brought cloudy weather to the south coast yesterday, as well as a bit of light rain to the area overnight. But as it moves away, a high pressure system is ridging behind it. And as usual, when that happens, a bit of an onshore flow develops for our east coast. And we can see that that's going to bring cloudy and wet weather to some areas over the Eastern Cape and in KwaZulu-Natal for the rest of your Sunday. By this evening, that moisture starts to move further inland as well as northwards along the escarpment, and that could bring some overnight drizzle to parts of eastern Mpumalanga. For the rest of the country, it remains mostly sunny and dry, while berg winds along the west coast will push the temperatures up, and it's going to be unseasonably warm across the area for today. Here's a quick check of your rainfall map, and we see scattered showers likely for parts of the KZN coast, including Durban, as well as for the wild coast of the Eastern Cape. Further inland, light rain settling in mostly later on in the day, and it's going to spread up the coastline as well. Quick check of the temperatures, and it's going to be a warm day all across the northern interior of South Africa, although Ermelo will be quite cool once again with a high of 19 degrees. Cold weather remains in place for the Eastern Cape for the afternoon. 14 for Grahamstown, Bishu reaching 15. Both of those areas could have some light drizzle at first, but clearing out. And towards the coastline, it's going to be a mostly cloudy and wet day over this area. Along with that, there's an onshore flow at about 15 kilometers per hour, although Port Elizabeth, your winds become fairly gusty as the afternoon progresses. There's a fairly low swell over the area, but it does have a long period, which means lots of energy in those waves, so we could have quite a bumpy ride along that east coast for today. Taking a look at the southern interior, Somerset East coolest at 17 degrees, while Vredendal, quite a big difference, 33 as your high for today thanks to berg winds. Cold and windy weather for the south coast of the country, with most areas remaining below the 20-degree mark. Cape Agulhas, you have a 40-kilometre-per-hour easterly wind in your area. The Northern Cape won't be too bad this afternoon with lots of sunshine. Just about all of the province gets above 20 degrees. And along the coastline, we see the clear effects of a berg wind for Alexander Bay. 33 degrees is a high, those winds pushing off of the interior. 28 is a maximum for Langebaan. Light winds for Cape Town at 10 kilometers per hour, and that allows your temperature to rise to 25. Monday brings a little bit more rain to parts of the east coast, and there could also be some drizzle along the escarpment areas of Mpumalanga, while the Highveld will be dry. Johannesburg will be slightly cooler at 19 degrees, while berg winds will push the temperatures up along the south coast, George reaching a high of 31.